When you want to change your password, you can see this error. Instagram invalid credentials problem. For fixing this problem, open your Instagram app, then click on your profile icon, then click on three line, then click on account center, then click on password and security, then click on change password. Select which profile you want to change this password. First of all, make sure that you enter your current password correctly, then type new password, then retype your new password, then change password. If you forgot your current password, then follow this method. Forgot your password. Now open your Gmail. Now click on Instagram reset password. Open this mail. Then tap on reset password. Now enter your new password here. Then click on continue. Now I hope that you successfully change your Instagram password and fixed invalid credentials problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.